Hi friends, I am Professor Dongre Dias from Jawal Junior College Sanda. I have come to proceed the second part of Pillars of Democracy. Students, on 26 January 1950, we are going to enter into the life of contradictions in politics. We will have equality in our social and economic life. We will have inequality in politics. We will be recognizing the principles of one man, one vote, and one vote, one value in our social and economics life. We shall be by the reason of social and economic structure continue to deny the principle of one man one value. How long shall we continue to live this life contradictions, and how long shall we continue to deny the equality in our social and economic life? If we continue to deny it for long, we will do so only political democracy in peers. We must remove the contradictions and the earliest possible moments, or else those who suffer from inequality will blow up the structure of political democracy which this assembly has so laboriously built up. The second thing we are wanting in a recognizing of the principal fraternity. What does fraternity means? Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians in if Indians being one people, it is the principle which gives us unity and solidarity to social life. It is difficult thing to achieve. How difficult it is can be realized from the story related by James Baer in his volume on American Commonwealth about the United States of America. The story is I propose to recount it in the words of Bray himself that some years ago, to American Protestants, Episcopal Church was occupied at its Frenchical convention in revising its liturgies. It was through the description able to introduce among the start short sentence prayers, a prayers from the whole people, and in means now New England divide proposed the word, "O Lord, bless our nation," expected one afternoon. On the spur of moment, the sentence was brought up. Next day, for reconciliation, when so many objectives were raised by the levy, the world nation, as importing to definite recognition of national unity, that is was dropped, and instead this there were adopted the word, "O Lord, bless this United States." There was so little solidarity in USA at that time when this incident occurred that the people of America did not think that they were a nation. If the people of the United States could not feel that there was a nation, how difficult it for Indians to think that they are a nation, to remember the days when political are reminded. Indians resented the expression of the people of India. They preferred the Indians nation. I am of opinion that in believing that we are nation, we are chasing a great delusion. How can people divided into several thousands of castes be a nation? The sooner we realize that we are not as yet a nation in the social and philosophical sense of the word, the better for us. For then only we shall realize the necessity of becoming a social nation and seriously think of ways and means of realizing the goal. The realizing of goal is going to very difficult, for more difficult than it has been in the United States. The United States has no caste problem. In India there are castes. The castes are anti-national in the first place because they bring out separation in the social life. They are anti-national also because they generate the jealousy and the antipathy between caste and creed. But we must overcome all this difficulty if we wish to become a nation in reality. For fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Without fraternity, equality, and liberty will be no deeper than the cost of the pence. Students, look at me. On 26 January 1950, we are going to enter into a life of contribution. In politics, we will have inequality, and in social and economic life, we will have inequality. In politics, we will be recognizing the principles of one man, one vote, and one value. In our social and economic life, we shall, by a reason of our social and economic structure, continue to deny the principle of one man, one value. How long shall we continue to live this life of contributions? How long shall we continue to deny equality in our social and economic life? And what author says, we must remove the contributions as earlier moment. To make a strong nation, equality and fraternity which leads to an ideal nation, social, economical, political justice should be maintained in the country. The ideal of liberty in source is a secure. The liberty means the freedom of individual thoughts, patience, belief, faith, which are regarded as essential elements of the nation. And students, fraternity means a brotherhood, is the feeling all peoples and children's are of small some social motherland. Fraternity means lead to a social stability and cooperative each other. Further says about overcome all difficulties nation reality, we need to reach our goal. Our goal, no caste, fat leads to a social stability. Social democracy means way of life recognize liberty, equality, fraternity. Thank you very much for the patient cheering for me. Hi friends.